Hi, my name is Kevin Barker with Quick Mounts and Nautical Structures in Largo, Florida. We would like to introduce you to the Radar Quick Release and the SAT Quick Release. We call them the RQR and SATQR.
All RQRs and SATQRs are engineered, designed, and built by Nautical Structures and pull tested to over 1,000 pounds. The RQR and SATQRs are designed to hold up to the forces that open array radars, dome radars, and satellite TV antennas face in offshore rough conditions. Removing a radar equipped with the RQR is simple, safe, and takes less than 1 minute. To remove, unlock the stainless latch, open the latch and lean the radar back onto the hardtop. Always use a small towel to protect the radar. Disconnect the power cable and the network cable. Now safely remove the radar. Replacing the radar is just as easy and quick. Set the radar with the RQR base inside the RQR frame with the radar leaning back onto the hardtop. Connect the power and network cables. Lean the radar forward into the frame, making sure the cables and connectors fall inside the pedestal base. The pumpkin lid and tongue and groove design will allow the base to drop into the frame and lock into position automatically. Use the key to lock the latch. Tailoring height is the most obvious issue the RQR and SATQRs address. The RQR and SATQR allows for up to an additional 18 inches of clearance. Another issue is bridge clearance. Being able to remove and replace the radars and satellite TV antennas allow users to utilize shorter routes, which saves time and fuel cost. Another issue is storage heights. Whether it's in a user's own garage, self-storage, or dry storage facility, the additional clearance gives the user more options. In many cases, at a dry storage facility, the reduced height will allow for reduced storage costs. Built of King Plastics high-density polyethylene, all Quick Mount products will last a lifetime. The RQR and SATQR are a simple yet versatile set of products that make life easier for OEMs, service providers, and end users.